Nature always has its way of bringing peace. The sound of flowing water, the fresh air that surrounds it, and the lush green trees create a simple yet powerful combination to refresh a tired mind. It is no wonder that waterfalls are among the most sought-after natural destinations. One of them is Lubuk Hitam Waterfall, a natural masterpiece waiting for you to explore and admire its charm. The name Lubuk Hitam comes from its hidden location deep within a dense tropical forest. The towering trees that shade the area make the surroundings feel cool, even a little dark, which led the locals to call it Lubuk Hitam. This name gave rise to a unique destination, brimming with allure that beckons anyone seeking to discover the hidden beauty within. Lubuk Hitam Waterfall is located in Bukit Lampu, Teluk Kabung Utara, Bungus, Teluk Kabung District, Padang City, West Sumatra. From the city center, the location can be reached within 45 minutes to 1 hour by road, with reasonably good access suitable for motorbikes and cars. Upon arriving at the waterfall area, you will find a spacious parking lot. Here, you only need to fill in your identity and pay an affordable entrance fee. Basic facilities are available, including a mosque and small food stalls, to ensure your comfort during your trip. Enjoy the warm yet straightforward local hospitality, like a genuine welcome from nature itself. From a distance, you can already hear the sound of cascading water, as if telling you to come closer. The journey from the parking area to the waterfall continues with a 30-minute trek. The trail consists of rocky uphill paths winding through the forest. With every step, you feel closer to nature. Let this trek become an adventure and allow its stride to tell its story. Once you arrive, all the fatigue from the journey fades away. The roaring sound of the waterfall, the chirping of birds, and the gentle breeze create a peaceful atmosphere. Around the waterfall, there are large rocks where you can sit back, enjoy the scenery or rest. Its tranquil and natural setting makes it perfect for photos, splashing around, or even swimming in the calmer pools. Interestingly, from one of the highest spots of the waterfall, you can also catch sight of the ocean stretching far into the distance. This panoramic view of the sea is what sets Lubuk Hitam apart from other waterfalls in Padang. It is a favorite photo spot and the perfect place to soak in the scenery from above. Do not forget to capture your moments here for memories that will last forever.
Historinya udah turun-menurun aja sih Kak, dari orang-orang tua dulu. Lubuknya itu kan agak gelap, dalam juga kan, karena kurang cahaya matahari jadi agak gelap, jadi dibilangnya hitam, makanya lubuk hitam. Nah, bisa kita lihat laut sama air terjun. Kalau kita beruntung cuaca bagus bisa lihat pelangi juga.
For a safer and more comfortable trekking experience, it is recommended to wear non-slip hiking shoes or sandals that provide good traction. You are also advised to bring personal essentials, such as drinking water, raincoats, hats, and protection for electronic devices. Avoid carrying heavy loads, and ensure you are physically fit. Always keep the area around the waterfall and trekking trail clean to preserve its beauty. Respect nature, and the earth will reward you with eternal wonders.
Kalau untuk sistem keamanannya udah ada lebih kurangnya 20 orang anggota. Jadi tiap-tiap pos ada petugasnya.
Lubuk Hitam is the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. With easy access, adequate facilities, and preserved natural beauty. This place is waiting for anyone who seeks peace and serenity. So, what are you waiting for? Come and experience its charm for yourself. Bring your family, friends, or loved ones and create unforgettable memories amidst the roar of the waterfall and the coolness of nature. Let us explore, let us enjoy, and let us protect this beauty together.